Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. If you want graphics and motion designing tool on your Chromebook, then you can simply install Artboard Studio on your Chromebook. Hey, in this video, I'll show you how you can install it. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Artboard Studio, simply open Chrome browser and visit app.artboard.studio. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Here on the address bar, you will find download button. Simply click on it and it will open the installation window. If you're not getting the download button on the address bar, then you can simply click on this three dot icon, then click on save and share, and here you should get an option to install Artboard Studio. Simply click on it. Now click on install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you will get this kind of window. Now to use it, simply sign up for Artboard. After that, you are ready to create your project on Artboard Studio. To create a new project, simply click on New Project button and this will create workspace for you. Now using all this tool, you can create graphics and motion design. So that's it. This is how you can install Artboard Studio on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.